Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install GitHub desktop application. For that thing, you just go to the browser, then type download GitHub desktop. Okay. So just type in the GitHub desktop. I can download directly GitHub desktop. Basically, GitHub desktop is a version controlling system, which is one of the popular version controlling system nowadays in the market. And you can see a lot of repositories in GitHub, www.github.com. So you can see a lot of repositories, and you can create your own account and create your own repositories in GitHub. And you can collaborate with the other people using GitHub who are actually located in different parts of the world. I mean different locations. So this is one of the biggest advantages of the GitHub. We have other version controlling systems as well. Old one before GitHub, it was Subversion Network (SVN). Okay, so we will be showing you both the installation and configuration of GitHub as well as SVN clients. So for now, I'm just checking for GitHub desktop. Where is that? So it's just trying to download it. I'm just downloading it. So let it download. So I have my account here. My account is Tom Thomas. This is what my GitHub ID. Maybe just putting my password. Maybe I will save it. So this is my GitHub desktop account, and I might be using this one to check out that GitHub. GitHub source code. So maybe you can get the repository code SVN to check out from here. So this is the repository code which I will check out later once I install it. Okay, let me let me go through it. I just installing it. I mean just downloading it. Taking a bit time. Let it download. So this if you see that you can see a lot of popular repositories. This is one such repository. Eureka.sim is one such repository where we actually store all. This is the SDK repository of Eureka.sim. www.eureka.sim. Okay. So this is one such repository. Eureka. Eureka.sim. Okay. .com. Eureka. This is one application recent application which we actually developed. This is a scientific and engineering simulation tool with plugin support, and we will be able to develop different type of plugins using this SDK. So this is the SDK which you can use it to develop solutions plugins for the Eureka applications. Okay. So this plugin and the other SDK sample code and those sort of things which we actually published in GitHub. So once this is actually installed, I will be cloning this code, and I will be showing you how to clone this and get the source code to the GitHub desktop. Okay, GitHub to our local folder. So let it install. It's taking a bit time. So probably it might finish soon. Just wait let it come. Yeah. Sometimes you can fork a lot of open source repositories to your own things. Maybe to see that if you see that you can see a lot of forks, which is let me show you. Maybe my profile, uh, your profile. So if you go to my profile, you can see a lot of repositories here, public repositories. These are the things which I actually forked from other sources. So these are some of the process. QSIM is another one, quantum computer simulation package, which I actually forked from another location, QSIM. So this is actually forked from. Let me show you. Forked from quantum. This one is actually forked from here. So you can fork it to your own repository, and you can develop it. And if you want, you can develop it and collaborate it with this group, and you can send all the source code by using a pull request. Okay. Anyway, that I will explain it later. So for now, let's install it. Let's install Github desktop. So it's just installing the Github desktop. Yeah, it's just launching the Github desktop. Maybe I had actually, maybe I will be placing the code here. Heading to github.com, maybe Firefox. John Thomas. Configure manually. I'm just use my GitHub account. Maybe maybe. So it actually came. Maybe I will fork this thing. Clone. Maybe clone. I will choose a folder. Probably I will put it here. For now, I will put it here. Training, stack developer, bootcamp, source. Maybe I will put a folder here, GitHub. Then I will select this folder and then I can clone it. So you can see all the codes here. It is actually downloading it. Just take it. So if you want, you can see this thing. So it is actually cloned. And see, these are all the updates of the history of that thing. And if you go to the folder, you can see that it's actually there in the source folder. Okay, source GitHub Eureka seeds. Okay, so these are things which is already there in that GitHub folder, and there might be some problems here. There might be some sort of things. There might be other tools like TortoiseSQL. Okay, TortoiseGIT as well. That is a client tool which is this desktop. With this desktop, you may not be able to see that what all files are actually changed. If you want to see the files change, there are some tools where you will have you will get some sort of an overlay icons as well. So if you see that directly, you can see it is actually overlay icons in red. But if you want to do it with the GitHub desktop, then you need to come here and you need to see the changes. If you want to see the changes here, if I modify it something, then it will automatically open with Notepad. Then if I did something here, uh, if I do any simulation application, please check the sample section, whatever. Okay, just giving you an idea of how you can update it. So if you see that, you can see that this is actually modified. The source code is actually modified, and the modified one will be displayed here. And you can commit it to the main branch, update with the readme. Okay, so commit it once you need to connect, then you need to push to the origin. Okay. So if you see that, you can see the changes in this repository. Let me see. So previously it was not there. If you refresh it, you can see that the changes will be reflected here. Okay. So please check the sample section. Maybe I will put in a separate line. Something to do with updated again. Maybe it may not be because of that, but you got the idea, right? Because and how you will be able to update it. Okay. So likewise you can update any portion of the source code, and you will be able to commit and update it. So if you see, you can see a lot of subjects here, stem utility or sort of things. Wherever whatever you want, you can create it, and you can create a samples and then update it to the SVN. Okay. I mean update it to GitHub. So that's what I just want to say. Probably might need to install one more thing called Tortoise as well. Okay, I mean GitHub Tortoise Git. This is another handy tool. It might be very useful along with this GitHub desktop. So maybe I will try to download and install Tortoise GIT as well. Download. It needs to be for Tortoise GIT 64-bit. This one. Okay. So that I will download it. It's similar to this desktop, but this one it's actually having the try context. I mean, you will be able to get it in the context menu like this here. Okay, so that is one of its advantage. Like that, so it's just downloading it. So let it come and let it download. Then we will try to install it. So there are other version controlling systems as well, like SPN I already mentioned, subversion network, and you have Tortoise SPN as well. You will get Tortoise SPN as well. It's again handy client tool, which I will show you how to install and configure it later. So it might be taking a bit time. So what the digital desktop. So you can see a lot of if you want to switch to other branches as well in GitHub, yes, it is possible. If there are different branches, you can switch to any branches in GitHub. So that your branches you can see here as well. This new branch. You want, you can create a new branch as well. Okay. So that are bit advanced things which for a beginner you don't need to worry about all these things. You should know how to use this thing. Okay. At least how to create a repository and sort of things with your account. Okay. So that you need to do. There are a lot of video tutorials available in YouTube which will show you how to create different repositories, how to fork it, how to update it, how to do the pull request, all sort of things. There are a lot of detailed videos available in YouTube which you can refer to learn more about GitHub. Okay. It's downloaded. It's just coming. Come. This is going to be a very handy tool. Once I download and install, you will see how handy it is going to be. Okay, so that I will show you as well. Okay, so this needs to be, once you need to first install GitHub desktop, then only you should install this thing. GitHub TortoiseGIT. Let me open it. Okay, next. Tortoise 50 default. but it is actually installed C program files TortoiseGIT. Okay, so it's actually installed here. First run the wizard. Next, next, git path. Don't know whether it is installed here. Maybe I will check it. Program file, Github. Somewhere I think if I can check now. Okay, extra path. Maybe check it here. Program file uses app data. Maybe it is here. Maybe somewhere where probably you might need to search it. Okay, what I will do is I will try to search it and see that is there. It's actually looking for git.exe. Okay, so we need to see where it is actually. See git.exe. So it's not coming. Maybe I will record it later.